Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another review. I have some travel watercolor sets here by the Viviva color sheets. This one is the original Sketcher set. This one does come with a brush. And then I'm very excited because I also received the spring set too. And I'm going to break up this video probably in like 3 different parts. So this is part 1. And I'll be doing the swatches and a little demo of the original set first. And there's the sketchbook as well. That is the A5 ivory one, and that one I believe was $16 on their website. And the watercolor sets are $20 each. The packaging is really, really cute too. Those illustrations are fun. There's a little bit of information on the back. I'm going to get out a small sheet of some scrap paper, and I'm going to do the swatches of the original set here. Everything is packaged really well. It comes in that little box, and then there is plastic wrap on the actual watercolors, and then this water brush pen is included. There's some information on the front, and you can even put your name up there if you wanted to. And there's little sheets in between your colors so nothing gets stuck to each other. The names of the colors are there, and if you wanted to, you could even probably squeeze in a little swatch. I really like that peacock blue. It was really interesting to see how different they look on paper, and your swatches there. And then you can use that little piece there. I'm going to pull it out and turn it into a palette. And right here, I just wanted to show after doing all the swatches, if you just use a tiny bit up in the corner, it really does not create that much of a mess. It's not bad at all. And these colors are so vibrant and pigmented that that's all you really need is just a tiny, tiny bit up in the corner. So I would recommend using a little bit less water with these, just so you don't like have any drips down your pages there. And there's a close-up of all the swatches. You can see how bright they were, and I wanted to include this little piece of artwork here as well, a quick little time lapse. Overall, I thought this watercolor set was very easy to use, definitely good for traveling. I enjoyed the like high intense pigment, and you can see how well they blend together there. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned because I have another part 2 and part 3 coming up as well. See you next time.